Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen recipes. In this video, I'll be showing how to make Andhra style Pachi Pulusu. Ingredients are shown in this video and also in the description box. For making Pachi Pulusu, heat an pan in low medium heat and add half tablespoon of oil. When oil heats, add 4 red chillies. Stir and fry them for a minute. Add 1 tablespoon of jeera or cumin seeds and some handful of curry leaves. Fry them till it turns aromatic and the cumin seed slightly changes colors. Turn off the heat. Transfer them into a blender and grind it coarsely. Soak 50 grams of tamarind in little water. Mix tamarind well in the water. Strain the tamarind pulp in a strainer. Add water and extract the tamarind rasam. Add nearly half liter of water and the tamarind rasam is ready. Add salt as required. Add freshly ground powder. Give it a mix. And add 1 medium-sized onion chopped and some coriander leaves. Mix them well. Andhra style Pachi Pulusu is ready. Please do try it. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my kitchen recipes. Thank you.